A very, very, very warm good morning, my dear children, and thank you so much. I can feel, I can palpate, I can feel your excitement, and I just wish we were close to each other. Thank you so much, my dear children. Thank you. It is you who makes the center of Vedantu, the center of our lives and our hearts. You occupy the biggest space in our hearts after our families, I'm sure. Thank you so much for all the love that you give us, for all the trust that you give us, for all the support that you give us. Every single time you've stood up for me, every single time you've taken the side of we Biotonic. Thank you so much. Thank you. I am so grateful to you for your love on this Teacher's Day and every single day. I have a heart full of gratitude to offer with hands which are folded. Thank you. Thank you so much for the love, the support, the understanding, for the family that you've made. We Biotonic, I'm so proud to say that, is not a channel, it's an emotion, it's feelings, it's trust, it's love, it's hope, and it's because of students like you from the entire country that we've become what we've become. So thank you once again. I am only grateful and thankful because I never imagined that in this life I will be receiving the amount of love that you guys give me. Thank you so much. I had never in my wildest imaginations thought that I will be able to teach hundreds and thousands and lakhs of students and receive such enormous amounts of love. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much for the love. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. Your trust and the love that you give makes us always do the right thing for you. And with so much love comes immense amount of responsibility on our shoulders that always makes us feel that I can do no wrong. Why can I not do any wrong? Because I have hundreds and thousands of students watching us and learning from us. So I cannot do any wrong. Thank you for the love. Thank you so much for the love. I promise you, I will give the best I can, the best of my abilities with utmost regard to your emotions, with utmost regard to your feelings. I will always try and do the best that I possibly can. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you. My heart is full with love that you've been sending my way. I don't think I deserve so much of love, but once again, thank you so much. Thank you. It makes my world go round and round. Thank you so much. Should we start? Thank you, my dear children. Thank you so much. It's your love. Keep it coming. I promise I will forever and ever give the best that I can. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, thank you. I can just hold my hands and say, thank you for your love. It's so beautiful. Done? Chaliye. So let's start today's class, my dear kids. Today is a special day because we're going to be doing mega full botany syllabus. You've made me so emotional early in the morning, in the first few minutes. I can only fill my heart with gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you, God. Thank you, this beautiful universe, for making me receive your love. Yes, it's a feeling which, it's not a channel, it's a beautiful emotion. Yes. Thank you so much. Come, let's get going with 45 most expected questions, full botany test which we haven't done. Should we start? Yes, everyone. And I'm sorry if I would not be able to reply to your personal messages, but I will respond to each and every personal message over the course of the day. Yes, chaliye. So let's get started. 45 most expected questions, full botany test. From a doctor to a teacher, this entire journey of mine, I would really like to discuss it with you. Shaam ko ka NCERT marking and most effective or best time to study for NEET exam in the evening. Tomorrow, we are going to do 90 questions from AIMS and AFMC. Right? Tomorrow, 10 a.m. in the morning. We are going to be doing 90 questions from previous year AIMS and from previous year AFMC. Right? Thank you, children. And tomorrow in the evening, 4 o'clock, for 2020, 2021, 2022, we have a very big reveal on Sunday at 4 p.m. So have you all subscribed? Have you all liked the channel? Yes, make sure you all subscribe, make sure you all like, make sure you all share, and thank you. May God bless us all abundantly. The amount of love that you guys have sent me, I have never in my life imagined. With folded hands, with eyes and head bowed down, I thank each one of you for the love, for the trust that you put on me. Thank you. With every message, with every heart, with every amount of trust and love that you send our way, I can only fold my hands in gratitude and say thank you. And I can ask the universe and God for wisdom to never do any wrong, for wisdom to make sure I always lead you, I always tell you, I always teach you for the right thing. This opportunity I would also want to take to tell you that if by any chance I or any of my actions have hurt you, it has totally been inadvertent. I have never wanted to cause any damage or any harm to you, right? With so many emotions, I can only once again say thank you, my dear children. Thank you for the love that you send our way. It makes our world truly go round. So thank you. Let's get started. Do join our Telegram group, Vedantu_Biotonic. For all the messages that you've sent me on Telegram, I will respond back to each one of them, right? I want to see you here, Biotonians. That's my dream. And if you're in 11th and 12th, or your younger brothers sisters are in 11th and 12th, do tell them that we do have a pro membership, 75 rupees per day only. Code for the pro membership is VD, and KVPY crash course of 72 lectures is free with the pro membership. Should we start with the botany mega test? Yes, Sunday I am doing 90 questions, AIMS, AFMC combined. Monday 45 botany, 45 zoology. So that 45-45 का ratio maintain हो और हम botany zoology दोनों अच्छे से कर सकें. चलिए, so these 45 most expected question series दोबारा आ गई है. ये specific 90 कर रहे थे अब इतने दिनों से. अब हम 45 botany की करते हैं. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to join in the Menti. Here you go. So full screen, Menti जी का कोड है Teachers Day Special 97846696. Right? Teachers Day का गिफ्ट देना मत भूलिएगा. नीट में एक रैंक चाहिए, right? और साथ में एक डब्बा लड्डू. चलो आ जाओ. Yes, 97846696. चलिए, टीचर्स डे का गिफ्ट देना मत भूलिएगा. एक रैंक और एक मिठाई का डब्बा. यस, आ जाओ. 97846696 आ जाइए. चलिए. थैंक यू वैष्णवी, अनमोल. चलिए जल्दी आ जाइए. I will do that, Mood Shankar. I will read the comments in the community page. I will make a heart on all your comments in the community page. I will read all your comments. Let's do the 45 questions first. Yes, मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. और भूलना मत, अगले टीचर्स डे तक वानी मैम कौन? वी बायोटॉनिक. सुना लग रहा है. Yes, thank you for the love, kids. आइए, quick. बॉटनी टेस्ट 45 क्वेश्चंस कल मैं करवाने वाली हूँ. एम्स और एएफएमसी भूलिए मत. एम्स एएफएमसी टुमारो 90 क्वेश्चंस 10 AM. आपको हमारा टाइम पता है. 90 क्वेश्चंस संडे को 10 AM. और मंडे पता है क्या करूंगी? 45 जुओलॉजी, 45 बॉटनी. सो 45 करेंगे सो दैट यू नो वी आर एबल टू फाइंड आउट कि बॉटनी जुओलॉजी में लास्ट वीक में किसने मेहनत करे. चलिए, लास्ट 10 seconds for 45 questions. Today I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Open your OMRs. ये खुशबू. 1 week to go, guys. Today is a Saturday. Last Saturday के अगले दिन आपका एग्जाम है. Next Sunday, tomorrow is a Sunday. Next Sunday is your exam. Starting in 5, starting in 4, starting in 3, yeah, Tanishka, come on everyone. Chaliye, starting in 2, quick, quick, quick. 1, and we get started. Which of these following facts differentiates the plant viruses from other viruses? Nucleoprotein, RNA, obligate, DNA. Who's the genetic material? Quick, quick, Sonali, we are waiting for you. Answered well. Answered well. And guys, make sure you're all liking, sharing, subscribing to our channel, becoming a part of Botany. Which of the following facts differentiates the plant virus from other viruses? RNA, tobacco mosaic virus. RNA is the genetic material, right? So a very important question of botany. Many times it is asked, RNA is the genetic material. Next question, please. Pseudomycelium, false. Mycelia, pseudo, false. Easy question. You can answer it. Mushrooms, easy question. Mucor, bread mold, yeast. You've answered it well. You've answered it well. Well done. Very well done. Very well done. Mushroom, mucor, bread mold, yeast. Well done. Answered well. My dear children, it is yeast. लगता है कि वो बडिंग कर रहा है, yeast ऐसे बनती है. प्लीज इसको याद रख लो. ये जितने क्वेश्चंस हैं सारे प्रीवियस ईयर एग्जाम्स हैं, so that you can really do well. yeast होती है ना ऐसे, तो बड बन रहा है. तो लगता है कि mycelium है, but it is a pseudomycelium. It is false. Mold, mucor, mushroom are all funguses which have real mycelium. Right? चलिए. No minuses now. Right? Thanusha. Astha, come on. 3rd or 45th question. Menti हमेशा एक खा जाता है question. Bryophytes can be separated from algae because they, bryophytes, contain chloroplast in their cell, archegonia without outer layer of sterile cells, have no conducting tissue, और thalloid forms. You've done well. You've done well. Separate करना है हमें. Archegonia को होता है या chloroplast से होता है, conducting tissue होता है, algae or bryophyte. So it cannot be a common characteristic between two. Separate करना है. Very good. Both of them are thalloid. Algae is also thallophyta. Both of them have no conducting tissue. We have to separate them. So it is possess archegonia with outer layer of sterile cells. Right, Biotonians? Next question, मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. Answering very well today. Pyrenoids. ये तो you know this question even eyes closed because it's an important question. Thank you, Arshita. Proteinaceous center in starchy sheath, core of protein surrounded by fatty sheath, core of starch surrounded by sheath of protein, core of nucleic acid. Pyrenoids. Very good. Proteinaceous है बेटा. पायरेनॉइड के बीच में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फिक्स करते हैं तो फैट नहीं होता, प्रोटीन नहीं होता, न्यूक्लिक एसिड नहीं होता. बिकॉज वी आर फिक्सिंग कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फूड, तो वो स्टार्च होगा. स्टार्च. ओके, चलिए. वेरी वेल डन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Pinus is haploid. Haploid. वेरी गुड बेटा, एंडोस्पर्म से आंसर निकल आना चाहिए. पाइनस में एंडोस्पर्म इज ओनली गिवन बाय द मदर. यस माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, ओनली गिवन बाय द मदर. सो इट इज एन मेगास्पोर पोलन ग्रेन. एन पाइनस का जो एंडोस्पर्म होता है, इट इज इंटेग्यूमेंट तो हमेशा डिप्लॉयड होता है, लीफ और रूट डिप्लॉयड होता है, एम्ब्रियो डिप्लॉयड होता है, एंडोस्पर्म इज हैप्लॉयड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नो मिस्टेक्स मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. चलिए अगले सवाल पे. Which tissue is considered as most primitive? Both ontogenetically, phylogenetically. Very good. Ontogeny repeats phylogeny, one Bayes principle. याद कीजिए. Very good. Parenchyma. Parenchyma. Very good. Bamboo. How do they elongate? How do they elongate? And let me tell you, bamboo is the world's fastest growing grass. How do they elongate? Easy question. Anybody from Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur? It is intercalary, apical नहीं. अगर आपने bamboo देखा होगा तो ये यहाँ elongation होती है. Right? It is the intercalary. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Yes, Assam, right? And we've done this question. It comes intercalary, internodal elongation होती है. Very good. अगला सवाल, question number 8. Full speed, full attention, full focus. Very good, Bryophytes, मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. Tomorrow we are doing 90 questions, AIMS, AFMC. Predation and parasitism. मैंने आपको cheat sheets में ये करवाया है. Predation, parasitism. Predation, parasitism. Excellent is yes. Predation, parasite. एक का फायदा, दूसरे का नुकसान. Well done, well done. This is competition. Predation, parasitism में एक का फायदा, दूसरे का नुकसान. चलिए. Thank you everyone for the lovely wishes. Next question on your screens, please. Tomorrow we are doing 90 questions from AIMS AFMC. Monday, 2 separate 90 questions. 45 zoology, 45 botany separate. RN tends to cause the population to. Monday, botany, zoology separate 90 questions. RN rapidly, right? Stable K होता है carrying capacity. RN rapid increase, rate is B minus D, right? It will be rapidly increasing. Understood? अगला सवाल. चलिए energy flow differs from nutrient flow. Energy flow. Yes, energy flow is linear. It cannot come back. Yes, 10% of the energy cannot go back. We cannot give back the energy to the plants. Right, everyone? Very nice. Agla sawal. Yay! First leaderboard. Anushka, Pravra. Thank you, Kritika. Pravra, are you from Maharashtra? Tanu, Prajalita, Kritika, you're most welcome. Unicorn, Cinderella, Meghna and Arnav. चलिए अगले सवाल पे. Genetic diversity in agricultural crops is threatened by. It's a very easy question. Pesticides, intercropping, fertilizers, high-yielding varieties. Good one. It is also related to golden rice. Right? It's also related to golden rice. So make sure you know the answer, everybody. Quickly on your screens. Time is up. Well done. Introduction of high yielding varieties. BT cotton, BT brinjal, golden rice, flower sago tomato. Genetically modified crops can cause more harm because they are going to be the new wild type. They are going to cause extinction of everything else. Very good. Next question. Question number 12. Next. Concept of species area relationship. Species area. Humboldt. We have done this. Very good. The number of species increases with the size of the area and up to a limit. It's not like it keeps on increasing. Right? Up to a limit. चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 आ जाओ सॉल्व कीजिए चलिए आइडेंटिफाई करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट एंड चूज द ऑप्शन चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन बताइए Correct statement and choose the option. Jaldi. All the above. See, the major contribution in greenhouse gases is of carbon dioxide, not methane. We've done this question before. Biotonians, Teachers Day के दिन पिट्टी कराओगे? Yes. जब टीचर को इतनी प्यार आ रहा होता है बच्चों पे तो पिट्टी करने का मन नहीं करता है ना? It's carbon dioxide. Global warming is because of ozone depletion. No, global warming is because of increased amount of fuel emission, carbon dioxide. Right? When an organic waste enters into a body, its biological oxygen demand increases. यहाँ पर carbon dioxide और carbon dioxide आना चाहिए. Ozone depletion की वजह से global warming नहीं हो रही. Fuel emission increase होने की वजह से global warming हो रही है. डर ऐसे कुछ कुछ करने का मन कर रहा है, पड़ाक भी होगा। चलो अगले सवाल पे। ऑल दी अबव आंसर नहीं है, सब जगह ऑल दी अबव देखते ही एकदम मटकते हुए ऑल दी अबव पे पहुंच जाते हो। चलो, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे बच्चों। Activated sludge has the ability to settle quickly. This enables it to sludge, settle down हो जाता है। किस चीज में इनेबल करता है बताओ? Activated sludge. And guys, have you subscribed? बताओ, टीचर्स डे के दिन तो बोलने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़नी चाहिए। मेरे बच्चे वैसे एकदम, जो बच्चे अभी लेट आ रहे हैं, make sure you become a part of Bryophytes. Activated sludge has the ability to settle down quickly, be rapidly pumped back from sedimentation to aeration tank. आप लोगों ने फ्लॉक्स के बारे में सुना है? फ्लॉक्स कुछ याद आ रहा है? फ्लॉक्स कभी दूर कहीं सुना था। तो we pump it back ना फ्लॉक्स को। Absorb pathogenic bacteria, no. Anaerobically digested and be discarded, no. We can use the flocks again, right? We can use the flocks again. So rapidly pumped back. That's the function. चलिए अगले सवाल पे। 15th question भी आ गया इतनी जल्दी। Time is running. Time is running and running and running and running. चलिए, Azolla. This is cheat sheet, pure cheat sheet. एंड कल हम 10 o'clock करने वाले हैं एम्स AFMC पेपर्स। डोंट यू फॉरगेट दैट। Azolla. Azoli, excelentes. Next one. Question number 16th on your screens. Non-sister chromatids. Crossover during prophase 1 of meiosis, separate during the first meiotic division, are produced during S phase between cell divisions, crossing over during prophase 2. Prophase 2 तो mitosis है, because meiosis 2 mitosis है. So will they be crossing over? Excellent, excellent. Chromatids are not produced during S phase. The DNA is doubled, right? They cross over during prophase 1 because prophase 1 is meiosis 1. चलिए, question number 17th. Are you filling your OMRs? Have you worn your mouth masks? Are you wearing gloves? A plant has number of chromosome groups arranged at equatorial plane of metaphase-I, who has 2n is equal to 50. The number of chromosomes visible will be very soon, Sangeeta. Tuesday we are bringing one more cheat sheet for you. Thank you, Arshita. You have to tell me the number of chromosomes which are visible. Excellent. 2n is equal to 50. Equatorial plane. Arranged metaphase-I. Right, everyone? No mistakes, please. Chaliye. Correcto. 18. Chromosome number does not change. Which of the following is a taxonomical aid for identification not of plants and animals based on similarities and dissimilarities? Easy. Catalog, monograph, keys, flora. जैसे ही उन्होंने सिमिलैरिटी डिसिमिलैरिटी बोल दिया, आंसर आ जाना चाहिए। keys, couplets and keys, because they're going to lead you, right? Definitely bringing cheat sheet, my dear children. चलिए अगला सवाल. Wherever you require explanation, please let me know. Which of the atmospheric factors act as anti-transpirant? Anti-transparent. Which of the following atmospheric factor acts as anti-transparent? देखो सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Pollutant gases are going to decrease the rate of photosynthesis. You get my point, Vinita, Shamu, Khushi, right? Pollutant gases are going to decrease the rate of photosynthesis, because pollutants usually also cover the leaves. Now what happens when the leaf has enough carbon dioxide to produce C6H12O6? They're going to close the stomata, right? Because you're going to close the stomata. Anti-transparent का मतलब होता है water loss by transpiration नहीं होगा. Water loss by transpiration क्यों नहीं होगा? Because stomata closed है. Stomata closed क्यों है? जब leaf के पास carbon dioxide की quantity बढ़ जाएगी तो वो stomata को close कर देगा. It does not require any more carbon dioxide. That is why it will act as anti-transparent, because it will help in closure of stomata. Got it? Chaliye, question number 20th. Very good speed of solving today. Please continue the same. Concentration of solutes decreases in guard cells. Concentration. Excellent. What happens when concentration of solute decreases? Water potential increases, because solute will bind water. अगर नमक बढ़ेगा, it will bind water. When it will bind water, my dear children, it will increase the bound water, decrease the free water, and it will not move. So जब solute कम होगा, free water ज़्यादा होगा, water potential, the ability of water to move will increase. चलिए अगला सवाल. (21 of 24 of 44 I mean. चलिए. Can you see this? Yes. Very essential for uptake and utilization of carbon dioxide. Essential. Boron. Membrane function, calcium and boron, right? It is boron, and more than that, it also helps in the pollen tube movement. It has to be boron. Right, everyone? Yes? No mistakes, please. चलिए. चलिए. स्पॉट्स, ये तो बहुत 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 इंपॉर्टेंट है। ये वाले क्वेश्चंस तो फाइटोप्थोरा इन्फेस्टेंस, ये वाले क्वेश्चंस तो बहुत बार आए हुए हैं। Gray spots of oat are caused by the deficiency of excellent. Well done. Manganese. No worries. Write this down. Memory based question. Error copy उठाओ लिख लो. Manganese. You'll be done. Right? Thank you Rituparna. चलिए. Thank you Janvi. Oh, one more leaderboard. Chahat, Bender, Devesh, to you, Manpreet. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you, beta. Thank you. It's because of children like you that I become a teacher. Prajalita. Excellent. Manpreet, Anushka, Meghna, Tanu, Happy Teachers Day. Chahat, Bender, Devesh, to you. And I've been to this place called Nalbari. अगर ये आसाम वाला Nalbari है, that's a very small place. So that's precisely the beauty of being a teacher. That I am able to, or we at Vedantu are able to spread our wings and help you wherever you are. Beautiful. चलिए अगले सवाल पे. During non-cyclic photophosphorylation, in which of the following 4E produced through photolysis will enter? 4E. Photolysis of water कहाँ पे होता है? प्लास्टोक्विनोन में होता है, प्लास्टोसाइनिन में होता है, PS1 में होता है, PS2 में होता है, कहाँ होता है? ये तो बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है, मैम ने बोला प्योर चाहिए. Photolysis of water happens in PS2. So 4E will enter through PS2. Photolysis of water does not occur at PS1. 24th. Next question. What is the function of molecular oxygen in cellular respiration? It causes a breakdown of citric acid. We've done this question before. To combine with glucose to produce carbon dioxide, to combine with carbon from organic molecules to form carbon dioxide, to combine with hydrogen from organic molecules to produce water as the last electron acceptor. Come on. And guys, have you liked? Send one beautiful like. Have you subscribed? Become a part of We Biotonic. Have you done that? Yes, it has to be to combine with hydrogen to form organic molecules to produce water. Lovely. Good doing in botany. All questions. अभी तक हंग पार्लियामेंट नहीं आया है. चलिए. Kittu Vedan, good. Oh, question number 22 skip हो गया. No worries. कल कर. Richmond-Lang effect. ये तो बड़ा easy है. Warburg effect, Richmond-Lang effect. Very important. Delaying dehiscence, breaking dormancy, suppression of apical dominance, cell elongation. Very nice. Delay in senescence is known as the Richmond-Lang effect. Please write it down in your error copy. It's important. Multiple times it's come. Delay in senescence is the Richmond-Lang effect. Right? Nikita, which question? Delay in senescence is the Richmond-Lang effect. Senescence is aging. Abscisic acid cause करता है senescence. Parthenocarpic tomato fruits can produce parthenocarpy. Vernalized seeds जो cold treatment करेंगे, phenyl mercuric acetate से treat करेंगे, removing androecium of flowers before pollen grains are released, treating plants with low concentration of gibberellic acid and auxin. Yes. Parthenocarpic are seedless. We treat plants with low concentrations of gibberellic acid and auxins to be able to receive them. What I also want to explain you, this is a mock test. If you want explanation of any topic, please write it down on the comment section. I will take special explanatory classes. This is a mock test to give you a feel that how will you solve the questions in the examination, because only 1 week is remaining. Right? Chal. Chaliye. Flowering in long day plants. Long day plants and sex expression. Very good. Which of the following controls flowering in long day plants and sex expression in certain species? Long day plants. See, ethylene is basically for maturation. You spray them with gibberellic acid. Gibberellic acid. And gibberellins also cause sex expression in certain plants. Chaliye. Influx of potassium ions of subsidiary cells into guard cells. Efflux of H plus. K plus is coming inside. देखो इनमें से एक का थियोरी है K plus ions की वजह से, आंसर आ जाएगा. Got it. इनमें से एक का थियोरी है that K plus ions की वजह से something is happening. What is it? And guard cells है तो किससे related है? Is it exosmosis, plasmolysis, or opening and closing of stomata? So K plus ions come inside. K plus ions causes a solute. Causes a solvent to come inside. The stomata opens, opening of stomata because of influx of K plus ions. चलिए अगला सवाल. Very well done. टेरेस्ट्रियल हो या एक्वेटिक हो, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट कौन है? ग्रीन प्लांट्स, ऑटोट्रोफ्स, प्रोड्यूसर्स एंड प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर्स, ऑटोट्रोफ्स एंड हेटेरोट्रोफ्स. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट कौन है? कोई भी हो, टेरेस्ट्रियल हो, एक्वेटिक हो. बेटा ऑटोट्रोफ्स लिखो ना, कंज्यूमर की जरूरत नहीं है. सेल्फ सस्टेनिंग तो तब होगा जब ऑटोट्रोफ्स है. ऑलवेज नेसेसरी. जरूरी नहीं है कंज्यूमर हो, बट टू फिक्स एनर्जी वी रिक्वायर ऑटोट्रोफ्स. यस और नो? ऑटो. मुझे पता था यहां पर आप कंफ्यूज हो गए, इसीलिए मैंने ये क्वेश्चन डाला था. You don't absolutely always, it's not necessary to have primary consumers, but it is very important to have autotrophs. चलिए अगले सवाल पे. What does the chemiosmotic process in chloroplast involve? Establishment of a proton gradient, diffusion of electrons through the thylakoid membrane, chemiosmotic hypothesis, reduction of water to produce ATP and energy, formation of glucose using carbon dioxide, NADPH and ATP. वाह जी वाह. Chemiosmosis, ATP synthesis, what is most important? What does it involve? Proton gradient. So that ATP synthetase complex say H plus can come inside. You require a proton gradient. How many of you remember my NCERT marking series for photosynthesis? You remember NCERT marking series for photosynthesis morning classes? Right? सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी आपको H plus का proton gradient establish करना. चलिए 31st question. दीजिए जवाब. In thylakoids, protons travel through ATP synthase from stroma to thylakoid space. Therefore, the catalytic knobs of ATP synthase would be located. Wow! वो जो knobs of ATP synthase कहाँ होंगे? Pigment molecules पे होंगे, stroma side पे होंगे. ये पूछ रहा है ये वाले knobs कहाँ होंगे? ये on the side facing the thylakoid space, on the ATP molecules themselves. On the stroma side of the membrane. In thylakoids, granothylakoids, protons travel through ATP synthase from stroma to thylakoid space. Right, everyone? On the stroma side of the membrane. Very well done. Chaliye. Cam plants keep stomata closed in daytime. Crassulacean acid metabolism. Crassulacean acid metabolism. Crassulacean acid metabolism. They close the stomata at daytime. They open during night time to engulf carbon dioxide. Fix carbon dioxide into organic acids during the night. Open the stomata during the night to avoid water loss by transpiration. Right? Open stomata during night to avoid water loss by transpiration. चलिए. Oh Saurabh, no worries. अभी और better कर देते हैं. Wow! Prajalita, very good. Anushka, Bender, Chahat, Devesh, Kritika, welcome. Manpreet, thank you, beta. Sababax and Meghna Maya. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Chaliye. Which plant hormones might be used to enhance stem elongation and fruit growth? Phytochrome and flowering hormones, ethylene, cytokinin, elongation, abscisic acid, phytochrome, auxins, gibberellins. बताइए. Used to enhance elongation and fruit growth की भी बात कर दी साथ के साथ. Fruit के growth की बात कर दी. So it is very easy. Definitely auxins and gibberellins. Definitely auxins. Very well done. Excellent performance. Chaliye. Fourth question on your screens. Last 10 questions, full speed. Short day plant, SDP. Short day, longer darkness. Days are shorter than a certain critical value. Nights are shorter. Nights are longer than a critical value. They require uninterrupted darkness. Thank you, Shanmugan. Or days are shorter than nights. बताइए. Yes, बता दीजिए. Amazing हो जाएगा. Yes, beta, short day plants means long nights means uninterrupted darkness. right? So ninth have to be longer than a critical value. 35th question. Exarch, polyarch. Please refer to our cheat sheets. Exarch, polyarch. Polyarch, monocot root. Yes, open है कि closed है? बताइए. Obviously there is no cambium, है ना? Excellent. Ovule of Opuntia is coiled and turned at more than 3. Wow. Amphi, hemi, ana, circino. मैंने कैसे? Ortho. You remember this? Ortho, hemi, ana. What is this? बता दीजिए. Circle. मैंने आपको कितनी बार कराया है this? In regular classes, theory lectures में how many times we have done it बच्चों? आपको याद होगा. That is why अभी किसी explanation की जरूरत ही नहीं लग रही because I have covered everything in theory. We've done more than 15,000 MCQs. Circinate, round and round, snake-like. मैंने आपको ये भी बताया है that ferns में venation is circinotropous. चलिए अगला सवाल. 37th question. चलो. Very well done today. Excellent performance. The female gametophyte embryo sac of a typical dicot, polygonum. Dicot है वो, dicot. Thank you खुशी. Thank you खुशी. मुझे आ ही नहीं रहा बच्चा मैसेज में, अभी देख लेते हैं. Excellent. 8 nucleated, 7 cell, because in the cell center you have one secondary nucleus with 2 nuclei available. Very good, very good. And cheat sheet जो है आपको अगले हफ्ते botany zoology दोनों की मिल जाएगी. When the anthers and stigma in an intersexual flower mature at the same time, it's known as syn-homo-dico-allo. They are maturing at the same time. Yes, awesome. Homo, बेटा dico means die. ये तो word ही कह रहा है. Homo is one, syn is fusion. Syn, fusion of gametes. चलिए. Thirty-ninth question, no mistakes, please. A close mutualistic association between flowers and pollinating agents occur in. Mutualistic. Fig blastophagus, also referred to as the fig insect, yucca pronuba moth, Ophrys, copperwort, wasp. बताइए. All the above ये जल्दबाजी का आंसर है. जो सिर्फ फर्स्ट पढ़ा, ये जल्दबाजी का आंसर है. यस, चलिए. Dash is required as inducer for the expression of lac operon. Inducer. Inducer. करवाएगा काम. It's an inducible operon. Galactose, glucose, lactose, galactose, lactose. Induced to get it done. It's not a repressible operon. It's an inducible operon. Such questions you should just dance and answer. The examiner पूछे क्या हुआ? Such an easy question. Yes, lactose, lac operon लिखा है. Lactose करवाएगा. Inducible operon. Plant kingdom पे we are doing a mega botany test in the coming week. Special plant kingdom. Plant physiology, plant kingdom. 41st question. Dash is not applicable to RNA. Not applicable. 5-phosphoryl 3-hydroxylase, complementary base pairing, Chargaff's rule, heterocyclic nitrogen bases. Don't get confused. Dash is not applicable to RNA. Chargaff's rule. Base pairing equal नहीं होती. Base pairing तो TRNA में हो जाती है. Chargaff's rule नहीं होता. चलो बताओ. 42nd question. Wow. And guys, आज 12 बजे एक बहुत छोटा सा लेक्चर होगा 10 मिनट का, जरूर आना. Satellite RNA, satellite. Plant viruses, bacteriophage, prions, viroids. Satellite. थर्ड क्वेश्चन. इतनी जल्दी टाइम क्यों चला गया? Satellite RNAs, viroids, prions, bacteriophages, plant viruses, SAT. Hung parliament. Plant viruses. Viruses have satellite repeating units. They are only present in viruses. Humans में होते हैं telomeres में और viruses में. 43rd, right? पर start करने से पहले आपको एक बड़ी important बात बताऊं. आपको पता है कल मेरी क्लास में पुलिस को बुलाना पड़ा. Do you know this? Regular बच्चों को पता होगा pro membership. At least पिछले 3-4 क्लास से regular पुलिस को बुलाना पड़ रहा है. Do you know this? नहीं. टाइम चोरी हो जाता है. कल तो हमने सोचा कि पुलिस को बुला ही लें, पता चले कि टाइम चोरी करता कौन है. I don't know how. Somebody comes and steals all the time. So we have to find out who steals the time. Because 1 hour just goes like this. We have to find out somebody is stealing the time from all my classes. We've started doing it in the regular classes. You can ask all the pro membership students. Every day we have to call police because we have to find out who is stealing our time. I think we have to do the same thing with YouTube also now. We have to call police at 8 o'clock and 10 o'clock because time is getting stolen every day. Don't you agree? That's a poor joke. Yes, Dr.Vani ma'am, teachers day के दिन इतने गंदे joke क्यों मार रहे हो? Yes, चलिए अगला सवाल. Dash is not a property of the genetic code. Universal, degeneracy, ambiguous, non-overlapping. Not a property. Yo Devesh. Dash is not a property. Not. You know the answer. Degenerate है. कल हमने यूनिवर्सैलिटी वाला क्वेश्चन किया था. E. coli इंसुलिन क्यों बना रहा है? Why is E. coli making insulin? Yes, dash is. It is non-overlapping. Overlap तो करता ही नहीं है. Otherwise तो mutation हो जाएगी. Ambiguous नहीं है. Overlap, it does not overlap. There is no overlapping. There is no comma. There is no hyphen. There is no full stop. It is degenerate. It is universal. 44th question. By using dash, genes of interest can be selected from a genomic library. Restriction enzymes, DNA probes. Good question. I want to find out the gene of interest. Gene targets restriction enzymes. बताइए. Cloning vectors. On your screens. My gene of interest का कोड अगर मुझे पता है मैं रेडियोएक्टिव क्या डालूंगी, what will I add on it? My dear children, I will add DNA probe. अगर मुझे AUG ढूंढना है in the entire DNA, I want AUG. I'm going to add UAC, which is my probe. I will add UAC, which will give me, और UAC को मैं रेडियोएक्टिव बना दूंगी. Correct everyone. This is our final leaderboard. Prajalita, Anushka, Chahat, Devesh, Manpreet, Meghna, Anu, Tulsi to you, and Snehita. Amazingly well done. Now you know that your Prajalita, especially you and everybody on the leaderboard and off the leaderboard, very good answering done in botany. I will see you at 12 o'clock for 10 minutes for a very special session. I will see you at 5 and 9 in the evening. Tomorrow we are doing AIMS and AFMC. Very, very important. 90 questions, AIMS, AFMC. See you. Bye. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for all the love. Wishing you all a happy Teachers' Day also. May we all remain lifelong learners. Bye, children. Bye.